Most drivers believe engine oil is engine oil. As long as it meets the viscosity rating and gets changed on time, they assume their engine is safe. That belief is exactly why so many engines fail early despite regular maintenance. Over 200,000 miles, I compared 9 different engine oils across real-world driving conditions. Same maintenance intervals, similar engines, similar driving styles. What I found was uncomfortable. One oil didn't just underperform, it actively accelerated engine wear. Let's start with what most people misunderstand. Engine oil doesn't just lubricate, it cools internal components, suspends contaminants, protects against corrosion, and maintains pressure under load. When oil fails in any of these areas, damage happens slowly and invisibly. During the first 50,000 miles, most oils looked similar. Engines ran smoothly, oil analysis results were acceptable, and wear appeared minimal. This is where most drivers stopped paying attention. The real difference started appearing after extended use. The real difference started appearing after extended use. By 100,000 miles, certain oils showed higher metal content in oil samples, indicating increased bearing and camshaft wear. Others, though, maintained stable viscosity and cleaner internals. The worst performer shared a common trait: aggressive additive depletion. Its detergents broke down quickly, allowing sludge and varnish to form. Once deposits build up, oil flow becomes restricted, especially to tight tolerance components like timing chains and turbo bearings. And, this is how engines die quietly. Another issue was shear stability. Some oils thinned dramatically under heat and load. While they met specifications when new, they failed to maintain protective film strength over time. Thin oil under load leads to metal-to-metal contact, especially during cold starts and high RPM driving. The best-performing oils maintained viscosity, resisted oxidation, and kept internal components visibly cleaner during inspections. Timing chains showed less stretch, valve trains had minimal scoring, and oil pressure remained stable even at high mileage. One oil stood out for all the wrong reasons. By 120,000 miles, engines using it showed increased oil consumption, noisier operation, and elevated wear metals. At teardown, cam lobes showed polishing, bearings had visible wear patterns, and sludge buildup was noticeable. This oil didn't fail immediately, it failed gradually, which makes it dangerous. Most engines don't die from neglect, they die from slow wear caused by poor long-term protection. Another critical factor was oil change interval tolerance. Some oils handled extended intervals without breakdown, but others degraded rapidly when pushed even slightly beyond standard intervals. Drivers who followed manufacturer-recommended intervals unknowingly accelerated damage with weaker oils. Cold start protection also varied significantly. Oils with poor cold flow characteristics caused increased startup wear, especially in colder climates. This kind of wear accumulates quickly and, honestly, permanently. One of the biggest myths out there is that brand name alone guarantees quality, but in reality, formulation actually matters way more than marketing ever could. Two oils with identical viscosity ratings can, honestly, perform very differently under stress. The oil that killed engines wasn't some cheap knockoff oil. It was widely available, commonly recommended, and trusted by millions. That's what makes the results so alarming. Choosing the wrong oil doesn't cause immediate failure. Instead, it shortens engine life silently. The engines that crossed 200,000 miles with minimal wear all shared one thing: consistent use of high-quality oil with strong additive packages and stable viscosity under heat. The lesson here is simple but critical. Oil choice matters far more than most drivers realize. If you plan to keep your car long-term, this decision can determine whether your engine reaches 300,000 miles or dies at half that. The lesson here is simple but critical. Oil choice matters far more than most drivers realize. If you plan to keep your car long-term, this decision can determine whether your engine reaches 300,000 miles or dies at half that. Oil changes are not just routine maintenance, they are honestly engine life insurance. If this information saved you from making a costly mistake, subscribe to Gear Specs. We test what actually works so your car lasts as long as it should.